Check Jaden for me. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josephine. Today we are making some good old Ghana pie. So in this bowl I've got my mince. This is beef mince that is already made there. That is going to be my filling, and I am going to season my flour with some Aromat. And in here I've got baking powder, which is 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm with the Aromat is half a tablespoon of Aromat I'm using, so it's already here. In here I've just got my flour that I will use to do myself work my dough, and I've got onion that I'm going to grate half of it. I'll grate half of it in my pie. I like onions in my dough. And in here I've got some 1 egg and a little bit of milk. Because we want everything to be chilled, I just brought this is the butter I'm using. I just brought the butter out. And with the 3 cups of flour I'm going to use, I'm using plain flour. To get a nice dough, you just my flour is ready. And in here I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients. So I'm putting baking powder, Aromat. Aromat contains salt, so if you don't want your food to be too salty, watch the quantity you put in. Tablespoon of Aromat in there, and this is quite easy, so that's it. And for the butter, I just brought it out from the fridge because I want it to remain cold. Because I'm not using a lot of flour, I'm not going to use this whole butter. This butter is 500 grams, and I've already taken about 100 grams, 150 grams when I was doing the bread. So now I'm going to go for about half of it, which will be 250 grams. Or if you want to measure it with your cups, you can just do 1.5 cup. So Queens, 60% of you guys are not subscribed, so can you please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upload from us. Evaporated milk, which is like 1.5 tablespoons of evaporated milk, because this is a half tablespoon and I use 3 of it, so that makes it 1.5 tablespoon of the milk. So if we finish and I need water, I'll just grab cold water freshly. You just bring that. So I'm going to grate some of this in here. I'm not using all of the onions, so it's going to be like 1/4 of it I'm using. Yeah, let's say I just like onion and the smells it gives it. This is so let's put it down. I hope everyone is doing well, guys. It looks like I've abandoned my cleaning videos. I have not. It's just I've been quite busy, but I clean the house, let's say, but sometimes it's just I'm in a hurry, so I just don't want to put a camera on. But I've got some videos coming up, so watch out for it. So now I'm going to form my dough. So if it needs more water, then I'll add more water to it. Remember, you need everything to be cold so your crust will be nicely done. So I'm using cold water. Filling already done, so that way it makes your life a bit easier. So now, guys, let's put this in the oven. Oh shoot. Let's put this in the fridge, guys. Keep it in the fridge for about 30 to 40 minutes. So guys, now I'm going to put it in the oven now. This is our pie. It's nicely done. So see how easy peasy it is. Very nicely done. So thank you very much for watching. If you are new here, a very big warm akwaba to you. You can hit the subscribe button and join the family. God bless you all. In this channel, I do cooking, cleaning, and a little bit of tablescape. So you can join the family. God bless you and stay safe. Bye.